It is time now for better food, and it's one of the biggest rooftop restaurants in Connecticut. We're talking about Rooftop 120.
Joseph Lucci, he's the son of Susan Lucci. No, I'm just kidding. He's the new executive chef at the restaurant. He's here with a delicious recipe for Rigatoni Carbonara.
Carbonara.
And you say that there's a difference between some of the carbonaras that we eat and the traditional.
Traditional carbonara in Italy does not have peas.
Doesn't have peas.
Does not have peas.
Why don't you give peas a chance?
You know, Italy says no peas. So it's just, basically, traditional carbonara is any type of pasta. Normally it's rigatoni.
Okay.
So what we did is we cooked the rigatoni al dente, about 6-7 minutes.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do, Scott, if you wanna take the rigatoni,
sure.
You're gonna put it in this pan.
Put it in this pan right here?
Yeah, we're gonna put it in the pan,
this pan right here.
And in this pan, we have guanciale.
Guanciale.
Now, guanciale is cured pork cheek. You could use pancetta, you could use bacon, but chefs like guanciale because it has a deeper flavor.
Okay, it's basically, it's like a fat to make it rich.
Basically a fat, yes.
Okay.
It's like pancetta or bacon, it's a little more high end. You can find it probably at Whole Foods.
All right, but that's what it looks like in its whole form.
That's what it looks like when it's cured.
And then you put it into, it looks almost like butter when it went in the pan.
Dice it small, render out all the fat, you're gonna get crispy pieces of guanciale.
Guanciale. I love the way you say that.
So what we also do is you're going to take the fat from the guanciale.
Oh, it makes it, okay, so you take the meat and the fat.
And the fat. And we're going to add some butter. Scott, if you want to add a little more butter.
Sure, how much?
As much as you want. Everything's better with butter.
Butter's beautiful.
So this is a very comfort food dish. You're going to be full for a long time.
Very healthy, very healthy.
Then you can go dance it off at Rooftop 120.
Exactly.
Okay. And tell us a little bit about, as you make this, people know Rooftop 120 because it is the largest rooftop bar.
Yes,
it's a fun place to drink, dance.
New England's largest outside bar, rooftop bar. And then Nosh 120 is the restaurant associated with Rooftop.
That's where you eat.
That's where you eat. So what we do is basically...
Beautiful.
Look how...
That's so cool.
So you want to basically coat all the pasta with the fat.
Okay.
What a cool space that is.
Yes.
Oh, there, is that you?
That's me.
Guanciale.
Guanciale.
So you eat the carbonara at Nosh 120 and you feel very satisfied. Then you go up and you dance all night at Roof 120.
Yes. So now, Kara, what I'm going to have you do is take these eggs.
Okay.
Put them in the bowl. So you have 2 whole eggs and 6 egg yolks.
2 whole eggs, 6 egg
yolks.
Okay.
Then you want to take some fresh pepper.
Okay.
You know, as much as you want, just a little bit to taste, basically.
You want me to whisk this?
Please. We're going to take some fresh nutmeg right here.
Ooh, okay.
I'm going to grate a little nutmeg in here.
It smells very fragrant. Love that.
And then we're going to take some grated Parmesan Reggiano.
What are you making over there, Joe?
So basically, this is going to be the sauce for the carbonara. There's no cream in traditional carbonara either.
Okay. No, just the egg is what makes it thick.
The egg and the fat makes it. So once that is all coated the pasta, which it is, we're going to take that pan.
Okay.
We're going to dump that in here.
Okay.
Now.
You want it all coated.
You want
pasta,
that coated? Yes.
Everything, the meat, everything is all coated in there. Okay.
Then you're going to take another saute pan, a little more guanciale fat.
Okay.
You're going to take your egg mixture with your rigatoni. You're going to put it in this saute pan.
Did the Italians just eat this when they thought they were never going to eat again?
I believe so. I mean,
they're like, let's fill up for the week.
For the winter.
Exactly. So what you're going to do is you want to quickly cook this egg over low heat.
Otherwise it'll scramble.
Right. And what we're going to do is we're going to add some...
Right? You could end up with scrambled eggs if you're not careful. All right.
We're going to add some herbs, which are basically chives, parsley, and tarragon.
Okay.
You can add a little more salt if you want to. The guanciale is salty, so you don't want to add too much.
Okay.
And then we're going to add some of the pasta water. Once we cook the pasta, you're going to save some of the water for the sauce.
Okay.
Okay, that's basically going to emulsify it.
All right.
So basically what you're going to do is you're just going to cook this over low, medium heat.
We got about a minute left in this segment. Looks like it's coming together beautifully.
You just want to emulsify it quickly. Once that sauce coats that pasta, then we're going to take a bowl.
Okay.
And
does it go in the oven or it comes right out of the pan?
Right out of the pan.
Oh, okay.
So the heat from the pan and the heat from the pasta, which Scott, tossed in the fat, cooks the egg.
Let me have this right here.
And this is basically traditional carbonara right here.
Wow.
Isn't that beautiful?
And then what we do at the restaurant is we take a little extra shaved parm.
Shaved parm, okay. So we've got the Parmesan cheese and the egg sauce,
Yeah,
but now
some more
we've got
cheese.
more. Yeah.
And then a lot of chefs
microgreens?
use, yes, they are.
That's very trendy right now.
Yes, it is very trendy. Little microgreens,
It couldn't look more beautiful, Joseph.
and that is traditional
Wow.
rigatoni carbonara.
All right. This is delicious. We're certainly going to have fun sampling this. But for the meantime, you're going to find more information about the restaurant online at rooftop120.com. It's located on Hebron Avenue right in Glastonbury.
Yeah, and there's a Mother's Day brunch coming up on Sunday, May 12th. Details on that are also online. That would be a lot of fun.
Ooh, brunch. That sounds good. All right. Coming up, are you looking for quality makeup that won't break the bank?
Always. When we come back, we're going to be showing you drugstore beauty products that are just as good as the big brands.
We'll be right back.